High above the Earth, in the silent vacuum of space, drifts a lone astronaut. From here, our planet glows like a fragile blue marble, suspended against the infinite black. It is both breathtaking and humbling. With every step in space exploration, humanity pushes the limits of survival. Astronauts live in an environment with no air, no gravity, and no margin for error. Yet here they are working, walking, and even thriving. On the moon, an astronaut takes a careful step. Dust rises slowly, untouched for billions of years, leaving behind the first human imprint in this lonely world. Above the horizon, Earth rises in silence, a reminder of the home they left behind. Inside the International Space Station, life is both strange and fascinating. Water floats like liquid pearls. Food must be managed carefully. And even the simplest tasks like exercising become challenges in zero gravity. But every day is also a lesson. Astronauts conduct experiments that reveal how the human body adapts to space. These discoveries prepare us for the journey ahead, and beyond the station lies endless exploration. Imagine an astronaut repairing the solar panels of a satellite, Earth curving beautifully below, or walking across the dusty plains of Mars, red winds sweeping across the horizon. Each step is history in the making, proof that humanity's story is no longer confined to one planet. In their helmets, galaxies reflect like mirrors of possibility. Astronauts witness sights no human eyes had ever seen before. The aurora shimmering across Earth's atmosphere, the golden glow of Saturn's rings, the silent swirl of a distant nebula. Out here, silence is absolute. But in that silence, the universe speaks. Astronauts are more than explorers. They are bridge builders connecting science and imagination, fear and courage. Every mission teaches us not only about space, but about ourselves. And in the final moments of their journey, as the sun rises over Earth, golden light floods the horizon. An astronaut drifts slowly, gazing at the fragile beauty of home. This is the story of exploration, a story of courage, of human ingenuity, and of our endless desire to reach beyond the stars. The journey of an astronaut is the journey of us all.